guys, it's Sarah, and today I'm going to be building a Lego birdhouse with this Lego set that I already opened. So yes, the pieces that you will be needing are 2 pink pieces, 2 green pieces, 1 orange piece, 3 light pink pieces, 1 dark pink piece, 1 dark pink bridge piece. You don't have to add this, but I'm just gonna build it with 4 carrots. Then you're gonna need 4 of like this roof kind of shaped pieces, 2 pink see-through pieces, 2 green like stand I guess pieces, 1 green piece, actually 2 green pieces, 2 dark pink pieces, 3 dark pink pieces, 1 blue boat piece kind of looking, 1 blue piece, 1 skin color piece that looks like this, 2 eyes, 1 yellow piece that looks slanted, and another pink piece. So let's get started. So first you're gonna need these 2 pink pieces and just put it like this. And then you're gonna need the skinny piece, of course. Then you're gonna need 1 light pink piece to just put like this. Perfect. Then the 1 see-through pink piece, just like so. Then you're going to need the orange piece that I was talking about right here. Then you're going to need 2 more of the light pink skinny pieces to put right on the side. And then with the other see-through piece, just put it where that other one was. Just like right here. Then you're going to need that pink bridge piece that I was talking about right here. Then you're going to need this piece. So just put it right here on the side. Then you're going to need the other pieces to just put right like this. I can't put it on. There. So it's gonna have to be looking like this, kind of. Then that's technically it, but you need to put these pieces on. So just put it like one's gonna be here, the other one's gonna be right here, the other one's gonna be right here, and the other one's just gonna be right here. Just like that. And then since there's like a hole right in the middle, you're gonna put the other pink piece right here So let me just put that on for you guys. Oh wait, I need to take this off. I'm so silly. So yeah, just before you put the other pieces on, make sure you put that one on first. So just like this. So that's the birdhouse part. But then you're gonna need the bird. So here comes in those blue pieces with the eyeballs and that other piece. So here's how you build the bird. First, you need this piece right here. That kind of looks like a boat. Then you're gonna need this piece right in the middle. Just like, oh my god. Just like this. And then with this piece, you're just gonna put it on the back. It's gonna have to look like this. And then with that yellow piece, you're just gonna put it just like this. Then get your eyeballs. And then just put it on both sides, so it's gonna look like that, kind of. Yeah, it's gonna look like weird shaped kind of thing. So it's gonna look like this. And then when your bird's done, you're gonna just put it like right here. Then for these green pieces that I was talking about, and the carrots. So these pieces right here. So with 2 green pieces, just do that. I just lost a carrot, so put it like this, like those pink pieces. Then you're gonna need 1 green piece to put right in the middle. I'm just gonna do it on the ground because I can't do it on my hand. So it's gonna look like this. And then put those 2 green pieces that I was talking about on top of each other. That's gonna make the stand. Then put the other green piece, like this, right on top. Wow, I just broke the other green piece. So like this. Then just place it on, just like that. And then there's your birdhouse. And with those carrots. So just put it, I'm just putting it on the ground, like how, like this is going to be the bird's food. I don't even know why, because I don't have bird food. So I'm just putting carrots right along the side. Just like that. Wow, so there's your birdhouse. And on my next video, I'm going to be making a guitar. So hopefully you enjoyed your the birdhouse video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.